how to sell option on Robinhood. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you how you can sell option on Robinhood. Now selling option on Robinhood involves the following steps. First of all, you need to log in into your Robinhood account. So entering the passcode, you have to access the option trading. So for that, go to your accounts icon. From here you need to navigate the stocks or EFTs for which you actually want to sell option. So in my case, I'm going to go with EFTs. After that, you need to look for the stock symbol to access its details. So for that, tap the search icon, and then on the search box type in the asset that you wish to go on with. Once you've directed to the detail page, here you need to look for the option that says trade. As you can see right at the bottom, there's this option. In order to begin with the investing process or to begin with the transaction, you'll have to make sure that your account is already verified. Along with that you must have enough funds. Once you've done tapping the trade button, you need to select the expiry date, the strike price for the option you want to sell. After that, decide between selling a call option if you own the underlying stocks or selling a put option if you are willing to buy the underlying stocks. So go ahead and select sell button, choose the type of option you want to sell or call or put. After that, enter the quantity of options you want to sell, and you need to review the details of the option you're selling, including strike price, premium, and expiry date. Confirm the trade, keep an eye on the other performances. Now you can buy back the options before expiring if you want to exit the trade earlier. So that's basically how you can sell option on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.